It's OVA the creator.
Alright guys, so before I get into this, I bit my tongue, literally. I literally bit my tongue. Bruh. Anyway, before we get into this fascinating video, I just wanted to come at you guys with a really quick hair update. As some of you may know, because of my sister's previous video, you know that we were taking some hair vitamins to help grow our hair, and it's not just like a hair growth vitamin, it's actually a multivitamin. Why am I so out of breath? So we've been using Rapunzel hair growth vitamins. Check out my sister's previous video. She goes into all those things. That's her thing. She likes talking about health. She's a bit of a health nut. Her hair is all the way below her bra strap, I believe, or by her bra strap. Mine is a different length, but I'm so happy with the results so far. You may be hearing a lot of pills left over. I had 2 bottles of these, which means 2 months, and I haven't been able to finish this one, and there's 2 reasons for that. First of all, I just want to, I'm really sorry, Rapunzel, for not being able to finish all the pills. I was only able to do a full month, beyond a full month, because I have a few left in here. You're supposed to take it with a meal. I don't eat very frequently. I don't eat properly at all, so I wasn't taking it with every single meal because I just don't eat properly. I started taking the pills at different, every day, but not always with a meal. And I think I was able to track down why I started getting really sick when I was taking them. I started getting extremely nauseous, and it was to the point where it started waking me out of my sleep, and I had to pause. I had to stop taking them for a bit, and it's not the pill's fault. I know that because at the same time, my body generally has been just rejecting a lot of things that I've been taking. I went to the doctor for a skin problem that I have with a whole bunch of eczema, and they said it was beyond just cream, so they gave me an antibiotic, and I took that antibiotic and my body rejected it. I got sick. It was just, every time I take something, it just turns out badly. So I didn't want to have a really horrible episode. So as soon as that nausea started hitting me, I took a break. And then when I started back again, I was fine. Everything was good. I'm like, yes, I'm back on track. Bam, I got hit with the biggest flu ever. I couldn't leave my bed. My head was pounding, and I just... the only pills I was taking at that time was Advil. I was just taking a whole bunch of Advil, but I just had a horrible, horrible flu, which is why this video is so late, why I couldn't do it with Elisa. I'm gonna start by taking them. So besides all of that, blah, 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 I really am impressed with my results. I was also drinking a lot of water. What I do notice, my hair is thicker, and that's what I was going for. I wasn't even studying length, I was studying thickness. I could put my fingers through and it's thick, and I'm really happy about that. It really, really helps with the multivitamins when you're taking care of your hair, and my routine was simple but majorly effective, and honestly I just use Alpha Natural products, and these kept my hair so moisturized. It's not funny. And yes, it's my sister's brand, so make sure you go and support her, but I'm telling you, I wouldn't come out here and embarrass myself for her brand and tell you that it doesn't, tell you that it works and it doesn't, because you could always come on here and comment saying that it doesn't. So I'm not gonna embarrass myself like that, but I'm telling you, I love these products. Both of them together is magic. It's the basic science of our hair. So you have to wet it, make sure it's hydrated with something that has a liquid base, and then right after you put the liquid base, you make sure you go in with a sealant, and that's what this shea butter with essential oils, just everything that your hair loves and needs is in these 2 products. If you are lazy, this is for you. Pump this, put on this, and you're done, and your hair is going to absolutely love you. They last for a very long time, so it's worth the money, and it's actually a very good price. It's only 20 something bucks. So let's go and do that, alright? And comment down below and let me know if you bought it. I'd really appreciate it. I know she will as well, and I know you're gonna love these products, alright? So let's just get into this video. So I'm going to start off by showing you this hair that I got. So this is from AliExpress. I'll list the vendor in the description box below. Make sure you go check them out. I'm going to be using Tyokalon fibers, which I really love a lot more than Kanekalon fibers because they're a lot softer, smoother, and they just feel better. And it's Afro twist braid, and I got 4 different colors. I got in the color 4, in the color, they just did not put the color on this one, okay. In the color 1B27, the color 27. Oh, I got it in 3 colors. Okay.
So of course we're just going to start off with the obvious, with parting the hair into whatever kind of boxes and sizes you want. And then you're going to moisturize your hair. I use the Alpha Natural Smooth Hydrating Cream and some edge control just to make sure that the hair is super sleek around the edges and it's just easier to grasp. Then you're going to take a rat tail comb and part in between that hair, just in the middle, lay about 3 pieces of the extension inside, and then seal in those extensions with an elastic. And after you pull it, tug it a little bit to make sure it's tight enough, go ahead and twist as usual. These are very normal, classic twists. Very, very simple. And you're going to see that I'm going to do this over and over and over again. It's very repetitive, super easy, and it's a very quick method. I finished my hair in about 3 hours. Make sure that you use either Eco Styler gel, Gorilla Snot gel, anything that will help hold the twist so it doesn't unravel. So I use Gorilla Snot gel. You can use whatever gel or holding mousse that you would like to use. So I just continue doing this process, as I said, over and over again. Take a comb, part in the middle of the box, and then rest your extensions inside of that box and seal in the extensions with your natural hair using an elastic, and then twist as usual. Super, super simple. This is probably a good time to say I am doing a Brazilian hair giveaway, and I will be announcing the rules in my next video, which will be on Saturday. So make sure you subscribe and put on the notification bell so you know when I post my video on Saturday. There's going to be a giveaway and a huge sale, so make sure you check out my video this Saturday, okay? So as you can see, I'm doing the same thing again. I am parting my hair exactly how I want it. I'm using the edge control to sleek it down. I'm going to part in the middle of the box, rest the extensions inside, seal in the extensions with my natural hair using an elastic, pull it a little bit to make it as tight as I want, and then do a normal twist using Gorilla Snot gel. I put the Gorilla Snot gel on my hand just to make it, easier to pick up, to dip and twist. It's just a simple process, and I twisted all the way to the end. Sorry, it got cut off in the frame, but I just twist all the way to the end and it does not unravel. So I cannot stress how important it is to make sure your hair is moisturized before you do any kind of twists or braids. So I use, like I said, the Alpha Natural products. The whipped shea butter sealant was finished, so I only got to use the smooth hydrating cream, and look how it defined my curls. Like, I was shocked. Not a lot of products define my curls like this. My hair was happy and moisturized. So go ahead and make sure you buy the Alpha Natural products. It's my sister's products and she just did a really good job. And here I'm showing you, for those of you guys who know me, I always use this method when I'm doing some kind of braids or twists. So I just wanted to show you, if you're wondering, yes, it is possible to use the crochet method with the twist as well. Just push the crochet hook underneath the elastic and twist as usual. I have so many videos on this, so make sure you go and check those out. And yeah, that's how it turns out. But it's very easy to use the parting method where you rest the extensions inside of the box, especially on top of your head, because gravity just helps you out there so the hair isn't sliding or falling. And I moisturize my hair and then twist as usual. So literally the same thing over and over again. So when I got to the back, as you know, my hair is still growing out from the undercut, so it's really, really short. So I had to use the crochet method for the back. I didn't even bother trying the other method because I just figured I wouldn't be able to grasp my hair. So I'm so happy for this method, or else I would not have been able to do this style at the back of my head. And it's at a weird length where I can't just leave it out and I can't do a lot with it. So yeah, I just did the same thing as you saw before. I pushed the crochet hook underneath the elastic and I twisted just as usual. Very, very, very simple. So when I'm all done, all I'm gonna do is make 2 big braids, and this is just going to help me create a crinkly effect and also to seal in the ends. So I'm gonna dip it in boiling hot water. I dry it off with a towel, leave it overnight or until it's dry, and then braid it out, and you'll have a nice crinkly effect. And that is the end result. I absolutely love how this turned out. It's a very natural, classic look. I really hope you enjoy it. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember to watch my video on Saturday. I will be announcing a huge sale, and also I'll be doing a free giveaway of Brazilian curly hair. All right, so I can't wait to see you guys then. Peace.